last video, or one of the last videos, we looked at how we name a right angled triangle, okay? So we've got the opposite, the adjacent and the hypotenuse. The reason it's opposite is that's the angle I'm trying to find, and the reason it's adjacent is the posh speak for next to, okay? Now I've had to Google at least 2 of these 3 words in order to spell them correctly, and I've used bad handwriting to disguise that. So this is where it gets stupidly complicated, and it's just trying to throw you a curveball. This is like a 0 with a quiff, okay? And that little quiff, it's the 0 with a quiff is a Greek letter, because why wouldn't we introduce ancient Greek into maths? Which I'm sure is what like Pythagoras used at the time. But this denotes that that's the angle I want to find. It's the unknown angle, okay? So if the question gives you 2 lengths, you can find it using that button on your calculator, okay? So the sin, cos and tan buttons. This is not about you knowing what the clever little maths button does not matter. So I don't know if you remember from school, so, ka, toa, okay? Now this is a lot easier than having to spell these words all the time. So O is for opposite, H is hypotenuse, and A is adjacent. So if the question gives you an opposite and an adjacent length, you'd use the tan function to work out that unknown angle. If instead you've got the adjacent and the hypotenuse, you can use the cosine function or the cos function, okay? And if it's giving you the opposite and the hypotenuse, you can use the sin function or the sine function in your calculator. In the next video, I'll take you through what that actually looks like. But so far, I'm hoping this is easily something you remember. Let's no longer spell it out like this. Let's instead use the initials. Okay, thanks.